This is a very informative program by the BCIC to explain to the audience the changes that have been brought by the government as GST 2.0 and the implications of it to the industry as a whole. I would give full credit to Badri and Venki for structuring the program the way it is, and the type of speakers they have got, like getting PVS or DPN, to get them for a session like this is difficult. But I think after the first two sessions, then we have an open house, then followed by a discussion on AI, use of AI for tax, etc. So on the whole, it's a very nice program constructed by BCIC. I'm sure everybody would enjoy it. I personally enjoyed it, participating in this and giving whatever little thoughts I have. All the best, BCIC.
Yeah, I'm delighted to be part of this workshop, GST 2.0. It is a phenomenal effort. Just before the law comes into force, just a couple of days away, this timely workshop will educate the participants about the rights and obligations and even the opportunities which are available to the trade. It communicates clearly as to certain new developments which have come, like inverted duty structures and the refund capabilities. All these are well explained. This day-long session is going to go deep into each of the provisions which have been enabled now, particularly the rate change and the consequences of that. This is an initiative to impart knowledge for the members and even take their inputs for further representation to the government. So take this opportunity, each one of us should take this opportunity to apply the law as it has made known at this point in time, find out those difficulties which are not practical, bring it to the attention of the government through the trade chamber, which is BCIC here, and then enable the members to do business more easily. These are the objectives with which this workshop is done. I have been a significant contributor to BCIC for many years. In fact, the law, when it came in GST 2017, that time also I had the opportunity, even the privilege, to represent before government committees on what should be done for different sectors. This is another opportunity to do so. I thank BCIC for these timely initiatives. I am very sure the members will appreciate this endeavor. Thanks a lot.
So GST 2.0 is a very critical reform in the journey of GST, and we want to commend the government for the efforts that it has taken to put it together at such a fast pace. As part of BCIC, we take this opportunity to thank the government, and also as an industry body, the largest one in Karnataka, we have taken this opportunity to organize this seminar. We thank the Indirect Tax Expert Committee for taking the initiative. And the seminar attended by more than 130 participants across the industry will actually help the industry understand the intent of the government and implement it in the way that the end consumer gets to benefit from the GST 2.4 reforms. Thanks to BCIC Indirect Tax Expert Committee for organizing this seminar. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Venkat. In fact, we had a phenomenal session today. In fact, the role of BCIC in GST dates back to 2000 when the empowered committee formed. And BCIC has always done the sessions and seminars and conferences like this, and has provided the inputs to the government, which in a way represents the pain points or the representation from the industry. I think that is what we have continued to do today. It was a very productive day with the representation from government, representation from the industry, representation from all across. So day well spent. I think we have enough and more inputs that we have taken from the policy makers as well as the industry to ponder upon. And now we will go back to our drawing room to see what kind of next representations that we have to take from the BCIC. Thank you so much, BCIC, for doing this today. Thank you.